Do you want to know how you can solve your math problems in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can solve your math problems using Bing. So, it has made us quite easy for the students to solve the math problems as it has given a separate app to solve the problems. Go ahead and open Bing and go to app, which is on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Tap on app and tap on math solver, which is under the explore option. After tapping on math solver, you can see this layout where there is a calculator of advanced quality. You can scan your problem and it will give you the solving problems and it will give you the solved answer as well. And if you want to go to draw, you can go to draw and you can write down something like 4 plus 2. It will take some time and you can see that it'll be 4 into 2 and the answer is 8. And it will give you some other options like these things as well, so you can go ahead and look at the solutions and you can go ahead and delete it, and you can also do simple multiplications or you can do hard multiplications, divisions, and all of the things. You can see that it automatically detects the thing you have wrote and press the send button, and you can see that your problem has been solved. It can solve hard questions as well, so you can try Bing and you can try its math problem solver. I hope this video about how you can solve your math problems in Bing was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.